Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can hide your Instagram active status. Since these days we have so many social networks, your friends and relatives will see if you are active online, so in order to high up your privacy, simply open your Instagram. Then go on the menu button. And now after having it, click on the three buttons on the top right corner, then go on settings. Then after getting this results, go on privacy. Then click on active status. Then turn it off. And from now on no one will see you are online, so you can always come back here to turn it on again. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.